Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. Let's draw appropriate diagrams for each of them. First, we have A union B complement, which means let's make a diagram. Let's first make a rectangle. Set A, and this is set B. This is set A, this is set B. Now, what is A union B? A union B means A plus B, which means everything that is involving in A and B, which means the whole of this, which means this whole area. Use another marker. This whole area that's shaded with the blue marker is A union B. Now, what is an A union B complement? A union B complement is everything that is not A union B. That is the portion which is outside of the A B circle. This portion, this whole portion is A union B complement. Next, we'll move on to second one, that is A complement intersection B complement. Let's take a look at the diagram for that one now. As I mentioned earlier, this one was A union B complement. Now we have A complement intersection B complement. Now A complement this is over here A and this is B. A complement is everything that is except A. Everything that is except A from the universal set, that is over here. That is this one. I'll change the color. Everything from the universal set except A. That is the rest of the whole diagram except the A portion. Next, we have B complement, that is the whole of the diagram except the B portion. The whole diagram is B complement. Now, the intersection between them both is in fact the whole diagram except those two. Because if we involve even one of these, it becomes A complement, B complement. If I involve B, it becomes A complement. So I can't involve them both. So the intersection between them both would be the blank space outside the circles. Next, we have A intersection. Next, we have A intersection B, the whole complement, which means we have A and B, and now intersection A intersection B complement, which means this is A intersection B. Sorry, this portion is A intersection B. This portion is A intersection B. Now, the complement of this portion would be all this portion that does not involve A intersection B, which means the portion over here. This portion is called A intersection B complement. Let's look at the solution. As is clearly shown over here, except the intersection part, the whole page is shaded. Next, we have A complement union B complement, which means, let's make another diagram. Okay, I'll close that and I'll use the black one. A and B. Next, we have given A complement union B complement. Now A complement is anything except A, which means all the portion that is not A, that is it can be B, sorry, that is it can be B, and the whole of the universal set is A complement. And B complement is every portion that is except B, that is A and the whole of the universal set, that is B complement. So the universal between them both will be the intersection part that is left out among them both. To show it better, I'll make a diagram again. And over here and over here. Now if I increase this brush size, and let's say this is A, let's make A complement. A complement is anything except A, which means it goes from here till here, till here. And what is B complement? We'll mark B with the blue color. B complement is anything except B. So B will cover this portion. Well, in fact, B will cover a whole of this portion, but the portion that is not covered will be used. Okay, it won't go there. It won't go there. I'm sorry, because B is present over there. So B complement is this portion. So the left out part, that is the green portion, this left out part is called A complement union B complement. And with that, we complete this question. Let's move on to the next one.